Did you know that back in ancient Greece, people believed that sneezing was a sign from the gods? They thought it was a way for your body to expel evil spirits. And in some cultures, sneezing before an important event was seen as a good omen. Imagine using a sneeze as your lucky charm. But it's not just sneezing that had strange superstitions attached to it. In 17th century Japan, people believed that sneezing indicated that someone was talking behind your back. So they would stop, pray, and protect themselves from the gossip with a special gesture. Talk about being paranoid about sneezing. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember to say a little prayer and protect yourself from those sneaky spirits. Who knew sneezing could be so eventful?